We've done lots of progress with our little cabin build, considering that it was more a shell of a cabin when we started. We had to do the framing, drywall, painting, flooring, tiling. And now we can finally put things into place. So in this video, we're finally getting our kitchen and we're building a bathhouse, along with some more glimpses of our part of the woods and some wildlife. Just picked up the free fridge. Okay, now play some scotch. Big boy, Jesus.
It's small.
It's giant. Why is it so deep?
That's what fridges do.
A lot has happened here. It's almost like a full house cabin or a regular cabin. But one of the biggest things just arrived. We ordered an IKEA kitchen. So we're gonna, I don't know, I guess put it all in here, all those like 50 different boxes. And then slowly but surely, finally, we'll have cabinets. It could be simple, but it's not.
Where's the tape measure?
No, that won't work.
This is not catching on there.
This is not either.
We should take this one out again.
Open up your smile and see me don't stop.
Do pull-ups. Okay, let's hang one. Okay. No.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
You're very sure?
Yep.
Because I'm not.
Why?
Okay, hold it.
I
I
can
just
see
want to
it
see
right
from
here.
the side. Oh, okay. Whew. Wow.
Wow.
It's a big one.
Coming out to here, this door won't open.
Done it! Done it? We did it! It's been a bit of a struggle. I mean, it's an IKEA kitchen, so it's like not that hard. And like actually putting the cabinets together was pretty easy. Our struggle was attaching it to the wall. It's day 3 that we've been fully just working on the kitchen. It finally looks like a kitchen. It's still not nowhere near to be done. We still need to. So the handles, the big thing is the countertop, a hole for the sink, and the faucet. It's gonna take a few more days. It's good. We're glad that we made it this far, and you know, every day we're going a little further and getting more stuff done. And it's just step by step now.
Ta-da!
Yay! Hello again. It's been a while. We have a working sink now. Exciting. Plumbing in the van versus plumbing in a cabin is so different. And so the fresh water is all the same as the van. So that part was easy. But like the gray water, Jesus, that was something. It took us 3 trips to the hardware store to figure it all out. And before that, we already went to Home Depot, of course, and got all the things that we thought we needed, but no. But it works. And yeah, now Kevin is gone for the weekend. He's on a bachelorette party and I'm alone here. So I'm gonna have a lot of time to deal with this mess. But yeah, I hope that after this weekend, this place is gonna be totally different. Well, organized and everything. I just ran up the hill and set up my first ever trail camera. So that's exciting. I did definitely see some game trails and one poop. It was a small one, so probably just coyote, but whatever. I'll take it. We barely have this thing done and he's starting a new project. I like it. That's gonna be our shower. A giant shower.
Have the door here and maybe have a little, or like a half wall here. So you kind of walk in like this through here.
Yeah.
Could be here or something like that.
Yeah, it's a good size. Nice job. Digging holes and everything. Beautiful. It's a good floor. I'm gonna be barefoot in here.
Auditorium.
I hope I don't get splinters on here.
Yeah, we could sand it.
What, this is not sanded? Oh.
Just plain old planed. So quiet.
Well, I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, we got a leak there. Not surprising that there's a leak somewhere with these old hoses.
We added a gasket.
Alright, let's see what happens. Yeah, lit. I think it's lit and then sparks.
Oh god, it's so loud. It's so scary.
Oh, it's trying to light. There's the fire. Oh, then it went off.
Oh.
Oh yeah, flames on. You can see through the window here.
Yeah, I see here.
And some more. Sure is nice on a day like this.
Yeah, I think it's one of the finest bodies of water in the world.
Oh, there's one big one.
All right.
Wow, that's quite a few.
Is that a male?
It is.
Can I
Alright.
see? Can I see?
It's this part, they call it the apron.
Ah.
And it's like more pointed and triangular.
Okay, sweet.
Hey, 2 good ones. That's more than I was expecting, honestly. Yeah. Would it though? Would it not get pulled by that weight? Shaking good.
No. Oh, careful, careful. Oh. I don't.